guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today a masterpiece we're gonna cook. Easy and super al bacio. Spaghetti pasta with creamy spinach sauce. We need some spinach. This is just for 2 portions. 1 orange, we're gonna use some orange zest. I'm gonna use spaghetti, salt and pepper. It's 40 grams of Parmesan, some onion, peanuts, and guanciale. Pan on. We're gonna use just 1, okay? We chop the guanciale, if you like, or pancetta. We make a little bit crispy. I think it's good in this dish. A little tiny touch of oil. Guanciale in. We start cut the onion. We chop just roughly like that because later we're gonna blend it, okay? That's it. As always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. I told you many times we are not master chef, but we cook for the family. I think we cook good, okay? Well, when the bacon is crispy, I'm gonna show you the next step. Guanciale is already nice and crispy. A little bit more of olive oil, onion inside, okay? Now we need to cook 4 or 5 minutes. Just we mix. Okay guys, when you have the onion nice brown like that, in the same part we add for a few seconds some spinach, okay? We don't have really to cook this. We wait a little bit, they going down. The water is already on. You know, some of this water is salty. I put a little bit here, I need. Okay guys, that's it. The smell is very good. Some pine nuts inside, tablespoon, like this. The Parmesan in. Some pepper. I didn't put any. Some salt. Olive oil. I'm going to blend it. Okay guys, look here. It's amazing. Look here. The consistency is going to be like this. See the spaghetti we're going to take al dente in 6 minutes maybe. And I'm going to show you the next step. Okay guys, the spaghetti al dente. Pan on again. We put all the creamy spinach sauce inside. Wow. A little touch of water. Open like that. Some pine nuts inside. Some guanciale. Again. We mix everything. Oh, look at that. Guys, the job is done. Oh, there. See? Something super easy. Absolutely wow. Delicious, guys. My creamy spaghetti with spinach, guys, is this. Very easy. And taste. As always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!